We try to never forget that medicine is for the people. It is not for the profits. This was said by pharmaceutical executive George W. Merck, president of Merck & Company. Over time, the players involved in the care of a patient have forgotten about this, but recently they have returned their focus to where it should have been all along: the patient. Value-based care is the term used when the insurance payer and the healthcare provider work together to provide the best care in the interest of the patient. Here's an example of this. Intermountain Healthcare has embedded mental health professionals upstream in its primary care practices. This costs their patients $22 more upfront, but saves $115 in emergency department visits down the road. There's one player we didn't mention: the pharmaceutical company. As payers and providers work together to provide value-based care, will pharmaceutical companies also join in this effort?
Or will they stay on the sidelines and act merely as vendors?
Pharma knows they are a player in this effort. How can payers and providers integrate pharma in value-based care? Here are 4 ideas. Rebates based on the drug's effectiveness. If the drug didn't work for a patient, she is reimbursed for the co-pays and cost of the medication. A fixed rate per patient. This provides more predictable expenses for the payer, with a challenge of how to determine the best price. Collaborate with health systems in bringing drugs to market. It takes a long time and a lot of money to bring drugs to market. Health systems can offer real-world data from its patients and help get medication to market faster. Joint analysis with providers of prescribing practices. Using national guidelines, prescribing behaviors and medication adherence will be analyzed, after which they will be tracked and improved upon. Remember what George W. Merck said: "We try to never forget that medicine is for the people. It is not for the profits." This is the overarching goal, and it works best when all the players have the same focus of providing value-based care for the patient.